Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well and having a great day. And today's video is my EarFleek. And it comes in this nice little mailer. Looks like the money envelopes that you used to get from the bank. I'm sure you still can. I just don't go into the bank, so that you get a nice little mailer. And then you always get a card with your earrings. I don't know if this is May. I think this is May's set. I think this is the third set of earrings that I've gotten from EarFleek, and it comes in a little bubble, little envelope type thing, and then it comes in a clear plastic envelope. I mean, they package very well. And these are the earrings. So these are rose gold, and they have a little bead there for your earlobe, and they dangle. And I would say they're probably maybe 2 inches. And they're shipping. I see a lot of companies now shipping like this. They put the little plastic or rubbery type thing on the backs of the 2 posts. This way things don't get tangled. And I'm going to put one in for you. I haven't made sure if I can get it off. Had a little mirror here that I could possibly put one in and show you guys it on. Get this thing off. Ugh. Doesn't want to cooperate. Okay, so let's get the back one. So here's the earring. I mean, it's very, very cute. I don't have a lot of rose gold. I think this is, I'm trying to think I have one other item that's rose gold. So that is what it looks like. I have a little tiny handheld here. I'm making sure you guys can see them. So I think they're very cute. They're very light. And usually my hair is not, back, but you can still see them coming through, see the earring coming through. And that's definitely a style that I like. I would prefer that they're silver. That is the metal that I choose to wear. But I don't have a problem mixing metals or just wearing earrings if I have something on I don't need to have a necklace on. I mean, today I don't have any jewelry on. I really am not. I just had a doctor's appointment this morning, and I'm not really doing much else today. The weather here is not really cooperating yesterday, and yesterday was horrible here. Storm-wise in Pennsylvania, threat of tornadoes. The skies were blacker than black. And the wind and the rain that came was horrendous. And today it's still, the sun is out still, but the sky is starting to change to super dark. So I'm sure we're in for some more storms. My heart goes out to all the people that are affected by these tornadoes that are coming through, Oklahoma and Texas and just all those Midwestern states that are just affected by the tornadoes. It's just very sad. That you can lose everything that you own, your home, or possibly lose your life. So I will keep everybody in my thoughts and prayers that live in any areas that are affected. And so I really can't complain. Even though we were under tornado watch for a couple hours yesterday, it's very rare. I think in my lifetime here in Pennsylvania, I think we've only had one tornado come through, and it was not a massive tornado, but enough that it did do damage to surrounding areas, and it did knock our chimney. It did knock the bricks down, and they fell on the roof. I think a few fell down onto the driveway, but did not really do any damage. That is nothing in the big scheme of things. But so hopefully the weather doesn't improves for everybody across the United States. So this is the EarFleek, and just a little bit about EarFleek. You get to choose. I have it written down. I can never remember all this stuff. First, they're 100% nickel free, and you receive 1 pair of earrings each month, and it is $3.49. And there are styles that you can choose from, categories almost. The first category is silly and fun, and that's a little bit more like, pineapple earrings and pizza and stars and things of that nature. The second category is minimalist but groovy, and that's what I choose. And they're standard earrings, different color metals. Maybe, mix up the metal with a material, things like that nature, but still, pretty standard. The third category is Boho Babe, and that's more like the tassels and a lot more of the plastic earrings and the things, which is still very nice. I still like that category also. And then the last one is I don't give a hoot, and then they'll pick and choose. And also, I know on your phone app, and I'm trying to think if it's on the computer also. I'd have to check the computer, but I know on the phone, they have like a swipe left and swipe right option. So they put a pair of earrings up on the screen. You know, if you like them, you swipe right. If you don't, you swipe left. And that gives them a better idea of what style of earrings that you actually do like. So then therefore, if you like something that is not in your category, you might get them the following month, which is, you know, fine if you like them. So like I said, this is $3.49 a month, so you really can't beat it. I did not really care for the earrings I received last month, and I stated that in my video. And I did put them on and wear them one day, and you really only see that little bit of earring. And actually, I don't mind them. I mean, are they my favorites? No. Will I wear them? Occasionally. But they're not as horrible as I initially thought when I looked at them. I thought, oh my Lord, I will never wear these. They are cute. Not my style, but I have worn them once and would wear them with a solid top because they are a design, a texture earring, and it looked kind of cute. So, all right, so that's the video for today, and this is the EarFleek for May 2019, I believe. And thanks so much for watching. And I do have my 750 subscriber giveaway is still open. I haven't reached 750 yet. We're getting there. And then I just posted a video for a sheet mask giveaway. So there'll be 2 winners for the 750 subscriber giveaway, 2 winners for the sheet mask giveaway. So go find those videos, and I will link them in the description down below for you to enter. The sheet mask is open until June 14th, and the 750 subscriber giveaway is open until we reach the 750 subscribers. So leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about EarFleek. Would you think about joining for $3.50 a month? I mean, you really can't beat the price. And don't forget to like this video, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.